Ako Rupa Yangu, and this video I will explain about text type. There is hortatory text, procedural text, expository text, and narrative text. The first I will explain about a hortatory text. A hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listeners or readers that something should or should not happen or be done. To strengthen the intention, the speaker or writer presents some argument as the supporting idea. Hortatory exposition texts can be found in scientific books, journals, magazine, newspaper, article, academic speech or lecturers, and research report. And the purpose of hortatory text or exposition is to propose, suggest, or comment. And we have three generic structure of hortatory exposition. There is thesis or statement or announcement of issue concerned, and the second is arguments. Argument is reason for concern that will lead to recommendation, and the last is recommendation or statement of what should or should not happen or be done based on the given arguments. Let's look at the following example of hortatory text. The importance of reading. There is topic, and the thesis is, I personally think that reading is a very important activity in our life. Why do I say so? Okay, and the first argument is, firstly, by reading we can get a lot of knowledge about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sport, arts, culture, and etc. Written in either books, magazine, and newspaper. And the second argument is, secondly, by reading, we can get a lot of news and information about something happening in any part of the world which can see directly. And the third argument is, another reason reading can give us pleasure too. When we are tired, we read books, novels, comics, newspaper, or magazines on the entertainment column, such as comedy, short story, and quiz to make us relaxed. And the last argument is, reading can also take us to the other parts of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel we are really sighting in the jungles, not at home in our rooms. And the recommendation is, from the fact above, it's obvious that everyone needs to read to get knowledge, information, and also entertainment. Or in summary, we can say reading is truly important in our life. So, tesis yang dinyatakan pada paragraf pertama, eksposisi, mengarah pada beberapa paragraf yang berisi argumen. Selanjutnya pada bagian argumen 1, 2, 3, dan 4 membuktikan bahwa tesis merupakan hal penting yang perlu dipertimbangkan. Dan yang terakhir, rekomendasi. Bagaimanapun, eksposisi hortatory akan ditutup dengan rekomendasi penulis tentang hal yang akan dibahas. And the second of text type is procedural text. Procedural text is a text tells the reader how to do or make something. Example, recipe, rules for games or sport, science experiment, or how to guide us. The purpose of procedural text is to prescribe, to give the step in how to do something. So, teks prosedural adalah teks yang memberitahu bagaimana melakukan atau membuat sesuatu. Contohnya resep, aturan dalam permainan atau olahraga, eksperimen sains, dan cara panduan. Tujuannya adalah untuk menentukan, untuk memberitahukan langkah-langkah bagaimana kita melakukan sesuatu. For example of the procedural text is, we have the title is about how to make a jam sandwich. And the goal of this title is, if you follow these steps, you will make a delicious jam sandwich. And the ingredients is 2 slices of bread, knife, strawberry jam, cutting board, and butter. And this method or step by step is, place 2 slices of bread on the top of the cutting board. Use the knife to spread butter into the 2 slices of bread. Use the knife to evenly spread strawberry jam across 1 slice of bread. And the last, gently place the buttered slice of bread on the top of the jam-covered slice of bread. And the last is, carefully cut the sandwich in half diagonally and eat and enjoy your jam sandwich. And we have explained about expository text. Expository text is give facts, information, a topic, present information in a logical order, and uses certain text structures to organize information. The purpose of expository text is to explain or to argue. Expository text consists of information logically related about a theme. Expository text give fact, information, a topic. A topic can be a person, place, event, or idea. And expository text may include text features such as photos and caption to support understanding. And the last of text type is narrative text. Narrative text is piece of the text which tells a story and entertains the reader or listeners. It is a story which complication or problematic event and tries to find real solution to solve the problem. The purpose of narrative text is to recount events usually in the past. Example of narrative text is, it was a time where a knight heard about the contents to fight for the king's daughter. And in Indonesia, dahulu kala ada seorang kesatria mendengar adanya sayembara untuk memperebutkan putri raja. So, narrative text itu sendiri merupakan teks yang berisi cerita yang dalam hal ini berisi cerita seperti dongeng dari masa lalu yang kemudian menghibur pembaca dan pendengar. That is my explain about text style, and see you in the next video. Thank you.